In this video, I am going to teach you how to make an advertising brochure and also important points about making a brochure. So stay with me until the end of the video. First, create a page with a size of 63 x 89 centimeters. From the View menu, click on New Guide Layout, and type the number of partitions you want to create. This division of the page makes you type the texts more regularly so that you don't have problems in printing the brochure. Download a minimal background for the brochure. With the rectangular marquee tool, select the middle of the screen. Duplicate the layer with Ctrl+J. Right-click on the layer, click on the blending option. Activate the inner glow tick to create a protrusion. This will divide the brochure pages. Download product-related photos. Create a new layer. With the pen tool, create vector shapes. Choose the desired color from the color palette. With Alt backspace, color the selected part. Press the Alt key until layers merge together. Copy the layer with Ctrl+J. Press Ctrl+T and resize. And repeat this process again. From the Shape tool, create a circle. Press the Alt key and merge the two layers. Press Ctrl+T and resize. After finishing the brochure design, type the desired texts. You must type in the brochure the name and introduction of the product's features and benefits and a short slogan to attract the attention of the audience and social media of that product in the brochure. You can get help from ChatGPT. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.